Hello guys. In this video I will teach you how to find profitable niches on Amazon KDP. Finding the right niche is one of the most important steps in the publishing process, so you want to start with high demand and low competition niches. Before I will show you how I do the research process for my books. You need to make a few settings before start looking at the niches. But don't worry, I will show you step by step. The first thing we need is a tool to look at the BSRs without opening every book. I use DS Amazon Quick View. It's free and it helps a lot. Just click Add to Chrome and add the extension to your Google Chrome. Go to the Extension tab and click on the extension you added. Now select the Hide sub-ranking, because we want to see ranks for the books. You need only these two functions. Now let's go to Amazon.com. Write in the Amazon search bar coloring book. You can write what you want, but for this example we are going with coloring books. Choose a sub-niche that will be for adults. I want to be very broad so we can look at the top selling books. Hit the search button. Wait to see the BSR for each book. Now we want to find low BSRs under 200,000 and total reviews to be under 200. I find one. Let's open it in a new tab. The reason I choose these criteria is because the competition is measured by the reviews. The lower the reviews, the better. The perfect niches have 3 to 6 books with BSR under 200k and reviews that do not exceed 200 book. Now we copy the niche title in the search bar and hit enter. Okay, let's check this niche. We have the bestseller as the first book with low BSR. The second is still good. This one also meets our criteria. 4. We have 5 books. That's it, we have at least 6 books with BSR under 2OK. If you found this video valuable, please like the video so we can push up the YouTube algorithm. Now let's see if this niche meets the review criteria to be under 200 reviews book. We have 2 books. This one has no reviews yet because it's a new book, but has a good BSR, so we count it too. The next one is the same. So we have already 3 to 4 books with under 200 reviews. This niche has new books released with good BSR. So definitely must make a book in this niche. But before, you want to make sure that it's safe to use these words. So let's check a trademark search. Copy the main keyword, in this case food and snacks coloring book. Now go to uspto.gov. On the right you see the tab Find It Fast. Choose Trademark Search. Between Basic and Expert, select Expert mode. So let's copy the title. Paste in the search bar. By the way, we don't need to check the words coloring book. Here on the left side, uncheck the dead status. At the class filter first uncheck this. Then the books are in the 16 filter, so make sure to check only the 16. Hit the search button. Now take a look and see if we find these words. The title is safe to use, but make sure you check the words and phrases that you will use in the subtitle or the keyword section. So this is a great niche to make a coloring book with AI. Or you can use Creative Fabrica for pre-made coloring pages.